Hey class, today we will be talking about what does it look, sound, feel, smell and taste like. We use these verbs look, sound, feel, smell and taste to describe the world around us. They relate to our five senses: sight, sound, touch, smell and taste. So this is on page 68 of your student book that we're looking at. So this table is the same as page 68. So we have, this is the question and this is the answer. So what does it? You can choose a sense and then like. Why do we use the word like? So we use like to describe a preference for something. So I like pizza. Pizza is my preference. Or to compare something to something else. So it smells like pizza. So the smell is comparing to the smell of pizza. So what I can smell is like pizza. So here we have some examples. So what does it smell like? Okay. So what does it smell like? It smells like churros, or it smells delicious. So in this answer, we use the word like because we are comparing the smell to churros. Here, we don't use like because we are just saying it smells delicious. So, why is the S circled in red? When we are answering in third person, so he, she or it, we always must add an S to the verb. So if I say, I smell like churros, I don't use S. Or you smell like churros, no S. But if he, she or it smells like churros. Okay? So always when it's third person, we add an S. Here, what does it look like? Again, it looks, with an S, like a plane. Okay? Here we are using the word like because we're comparing the object to a plane. What does it sound like? It, third person, it sounds loud, or it sounds nice. The other option is it sounds, third person, S, it sounds like music. So here we use the word like because we are comparing the sound to music. I hope this was a good short summary of what does it look, sound, feel, smell and taste like. Good luck.